Welcome to today's What Moved the Market show. I'm your host Prem. It's Wednesday, September 18th, 2025, and here's everything you need to know as the markets close for today. Indian markets extended their winning streak for the third consecutive session, driven by optimism following the US Federal Reserve's 25 basis points rate cut. The Sensex gained 320 points or 0.39% to close at 83,013, while the Nifty 50 advanced 93 points or 0.37% to finish at 25,423. The Bank Nifty climbed to 55,493, up 0.63%, marking its 11th straight day of gains. Market sentiment remained positive throughout the session, with investors drawing confidence from renewed India-US trade negotiations and the Fed's dovish stance. The rupee ended weaker at 88.13 against the dollar, reflecting regional currency pressure despite the positive equity market performance. While the rupee's weakness adds some caution, the overall market structure remains constructive with strong institutional support. Leading the charge today were pharmaceutical and IT stocks, with Eternal jumping nearly 3%, followed by HDFC Life Insurance gaining 2.3% and Sun Pharma advancing 1.3%. Infosys also contributed to the rally with a 1.4% gain as IT stocks benefited from the Fed's rate cut decision. On the downside, Coal India led the decliners, falling 1.7%, while Bajaj Finance dropped 1.3% and Trent declined nearly 1%. Tata Motors and Ultratech Cement also witnessed selling pressure, indicating some profit-taking in select heavyweight stocks. On the technical front, Nifty 50 held comfortably above the 25,300 support level, with immediate resistance now placed at 25,450 to 25,500. The index's ability to sustain above key moving averages reinforces the bullish momentum. Bank Nifty continues to trade above 55,000, with resistance at 55,800 to 56,000 levels. The sustained buying across 11 sessions indicates strong underlying momentum. Pharma and IT sectors emerged as clear leaders, gaining over 1% each, benefiting from the Fed's rate cut and positive global cues. Healthcare and telecom sectors also witnessed buying interest, while oil and gas, auto, and metal stocks faced selling pressure as investors rotated out of cyclical plays. Chief Economic Advisor V. Anantha Nageswaran expressed optimism about resolving India-US trade tensions within 8 to 10 weeks, suggesting the 25% penalty tariff could be removed and reciprocal tariffs reduced to 10 to 15%. This development, coupled with constructive bilateral trade discussions held this week, boosted market confidence significantly. Recent SEBI amendments continue to reshape market structure, particularly in the derivatives segment, though these regulatory changes had minimal immediate market impact today. Gold prices declined in the domestic market, with 24-karat gold falling to Rs 1,09,345 per 10 grams, down 469 rupees from yesterday. Silver also witnessed weakness, trading at Rs 1,27,370 per kilogram. Crude oil remained under pressure, with October delivery contracts falling to Rs 5,611 per barrel, reflecting global supply concerns and economic uncertainties. Looking ahead to tomorrow's session, Nifty 50 appears well positioned to test the 25,500 resistance level, provided it maintains support above 25,300. A decisive break above 25,500 could open doors for 25,600 levels. Bank Nifty's strong momentum suggests potential for testing 56,000 levels, with key support at 55,000. The sectoral rotation from cyclicals to defensives and technology stocks could continue in the near term. Market participants should watch for any developments on the trade front and monitor global cues, particularly from other central bank decisions this week. Today's key takeaway centers on the sustained buying in pharma and IT stocks, while maintaining exposure to banking sector strength. With technical indicators supporting further upside and improving India-US trade dynamics, a selective stock-picking approach, focusing on sectors benefiting from global monetary easing, appears prudent. Keep your positions disciplined around the 25,300 support for Nifty and 55,000 for Bank Nifty, while remaining alert to any shifts in trade negotiations that could further boost sentiment. That wraps up today's market action. Stay tuned for tomorrow morning's wrap and send in your questions. Until next time, this is Prem signing off.